Hello and welcome to Alley Cat's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful cabinets out of your own style. I'm going to show you from getting the stencil, cutting it out, and actually etching it into the wood of the cabinet, and then using acrylic paints, paint it. So sit around, enjoy, and don't forget, like and subscribe.
Pull me under, take me higher. Pull me under, take me higher.
Anyway, thank you for watching part 1 of my tutorial. The next tutorial I will go through the actual Dremel and etch the actual owl into the wood. So stick around and don't forget, like and subscribe.